On this journey of life, spirituality is the very sand upon which we travel. We may run, walk, stumble, drive, or fly, but let us never lose sight of the reason for the journey, or miss a chance to see a rainbow on the way. I only went out for a walk, and finally concluded to stay out till sundown, for going out, I found, was really going in. Jobs fill your pockets, but adventures fill your soul. We should come home from adventures, and perils, and discoveries every day with new experience and character. Every woman can transform the world from one of monotony and drabness to one of excitement and adventure. Traveling is not something you're good at, it is something you do, like breathing.